Ever feel like your paycheck does a disappearing act before you can even blink? We've all been there. Rent due, car needs fixing, unexpected bill pops up. Suddenly you're scrambling. That's where apps like Possible Finance come in, offering a safety net with small, quick cash advances. But what if Possible Finance isn't quite your fit? Maybe you need a different borrowing limit, features, or fees. Well, fear not, financially fabulous friends, because there's a whole world of cash advance apps out there. Today, we're diving deep into the best possible finance alternatives. We'll explore a bunch of options, from apps designed for specific needs like hourly workers, to those that focus on building credit or even offer free overdraft protection. So, grab your phone, hit pause on the panic button, and let's find the perfect cash advance app for you. Understanding your cash advance app needs. Before we jump into the app pool, let's take a quick moment to understand what you're looking for. Cash advance apps generally offer small amounts, typically between $20 and $500. They connect to your checking account and usually expect repayment on your next payday. Here are some key factors to consider. Need for speed. How fast do you need the cash? Some apps offer instant advances, while others take a few days. Advance amount. How much do you typically need to borrow? Choose an app with a limit that meets your needs. Fees and interest. Be mindful of any fees associated with advances, like subscription charges or one-time tips. Features. Do you want additional features like budgeting tools or credit building? Some apps go beyond just cash advances. Championing the hourly worker, Earnine and Dave. If your income depends on your hustle, apps built for hourly workers might be your champions. Earnine, for example, allows you to access cash you've already earned during your pay period. There are no fees, but you can leave an optional tip for the service. Dave offers a similar concept with its extra cash feature, along with budgeting tools and a side hustle section to help you find extra income. Overdraft Lifeline, Chime and SpotMe. Sometimes a surprise expense can trigger a pesky overdraft fee. Apps like Chime offer mobile banking with features like SpotMe, which can cover small debits that might otherwise cause an overdraft. It's not a true cash advance, but it can be a lifesaver to avoid those dreaded bank fees. Building credit muscle, Clio and MoneyLion. Looking to improve your credit score while you access cash? Apps like Clio and MoneyLion offer a two-for-one punch. They provide small cash advances, but also gamified financial education tools and credit building features to help you manage your money and build a solid credit history in the long run. Free advance, no hassle. Almost Albert and Bridget. Want to avoid fees altogether? Albert and Bridget might be your jam. Both offer advances with no interest or hidden charges. However, there might be limitations on advance amounts or repayment flexibility. It's always best to check the app's specific terms. The all-in-one contenders, Bridget and Cash App. Looking for an app that offers more than just cash advances? Bridget boasts budgeting and bill tracking features alongside its advanced options. Cash App, while primarily a mobile payment platform, also offers advances for eligible users with a flat fee and a clear repayment schedule. Beyond the usual suspects, B9 and Empower. If you're not a US citizen or need a larger advance amount, consider B9. This app caters to a broader range of users and offers higher advance limits, but it does come with a monthly membership fee. Empower focuses on building financial wellness with budgeting tools, early access to your paycheck, and even bill negotiation assistance, alongside its cash advance feature. Choosing your cash advance champion. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to cash advance apps. The best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider the factors we discussed earlier: speed, advance amount, fees, and features, to find the app that best complements your financial situation. Remember, cash advances should be a temporary solution, not a long-term financial strategy. It's always wise to create a budget and explore ways to build an emergency fund to avoid relying on advances in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially fabulous.